Thank you, June, for new beginnings. Thank you, June, for fresh opportunities. Thank you, June, for beautiful surprises. Thank you, June, for peaceful mornings. Thank you, June, for joyful evenings. Thank you, June, for divine guidance. Thank you, June, for endless blessings. Thank you, June, for abundant love. Thank you, June, for perfect health. Thank you, June, for a strong body. Thank you, June, for a calm mind. Thank you, June, for a happy heart.